Mankato Public Safety announced their Keep the Wreath Bright fire prevention campaign. Starting on Thanksgiving, a wreath with all white lights will be placed outside the Public Safety Center. With every preventable house fire that happens between this Thursday and January 1st, a red light will replace a white light. This is done to give the community a visual reminder of all the fire hazards that can be a risk, especially during the holidays.
We're cooking a lot more. In many cases, we have holiday lights. Some people might have Christmas trees that are real Christmas trees that require watering on a daily basis. We might be using space heaters to supplement our heat.
Hayes says all of those examples require proper installation and usage to make sure we can prevent house fires this winter.